The next thing that we're going to discuss is a very common term that we always hear whenever we talk about heart. Okay, and this term is called heart attack. So do you know what actually causes heart attack to happen in people? And it can be deadly, There are some people who, go running, go jogging, or go cycling, and all of a sudden they'll just collapse and then they will die. Okay, most of the cases is due to heart attack. Okay, and let's look at how heart attacks happen in a human. Okay, the muscle cells in the heart need a constant supply of oxygen, nutrients, and for their waste products to be removed. Okay, and I've told you the heart is the most hardworking organs in the whole system. So of course it needs a constant supply of these nutrients and oxygen, okay, to the cell so it can undergo respiration. Okay, take note. And of course the heart will require its own blood supply in order to keep beating. So there are actually blood vessels, okay, called the coronary arteries. And what do? They supply blood to the heart muscle, okay, down here. These are all the vessels, okay, that supplies the digested food, nutrients, and oxygen to the heart muscles, okay. And what happens if they get blocked? Okay, then you see this picture down here. Can you see that this yellow deposit down here? All this, they are fatty deposit that builds up on the vessel wall. So if this fatty deposit were to get bigger, right? So it will make the vessel thinner. Sorry, it makes the vessel, right, it makes it thinner lah. That means less blood can pass through. Okay, narrower is the word. Okay, and if the vessel becomes narrower, okay, the heart has to pump harder in order to push the blood through. And if the heart works too hard, right, then something will happen. Okay, that means the heart is over-exerting. It's not good for the heart. And if this fatty deposit were to build up so much that it blocked the entire blood vessel, okay, the flow of blood will stop. Okay, if the flow of blood stops, then the cells in the muscle will not be able to receive the nutrients and the oxygen, and eventually they will die. Okay, and that's why you see this part, it is like almost light blue in color. So it signifies that the muscle is dying, and this will cause a heart attack to happen. Why? Because now the heart can no longer function. Okay, so this is the cause of heart attack. And if you have read in those like health promotion brochure, right? Okay, in order to prevent heart attack, you have to eat less food that contains a lot of fats. Okay, basically you have to have a diet that is balanced, so you contains all the nutrients in the right proportion, and also you have to exercise, and this will help to reduce the fatty deposit in the blood vessels. Okay, and this will reduce the chance of getting a heart attack. Okay, with that, okay.